Next thing is that how and when and under what condition you have to use line and clustered column chart. Basically the combo chart, both of line and cluster. We are using both line and cluster column chart in a single chart. So this combo visual combines line and column for dual axis comparison. So the next thing is when to use it. When you need to show trends line alongside. For example, if you want to show a Bitcoin trend over the time period, if you want to show the stock market trend over for a particular company, then it is best option to use line and cluster column chart. Scenarios display revenue and profit margin over the month or sales, volumes versus growth rate. So the next thing is labeling option. So in case of labeling option, it is best that use x-axis for share categories or time, and for column y-axis you can use one measure, and for line y-axis another measure, that is secondary axis. So basically here we have one axis is primary and the other axis is secondary, because we are using both line and clustered column chart in a single chart, so that's why we have secondary axis as well. So for legend, for multiple series and markers online, if you want to add the markers, you can also on it, and if you do not want to add the marker, you can simply off it. So now let's look at how the actual image of line and cluster column chart in Power BI. So here you can see that I have drawn already line and cluster column chart, and I have attached a screenshot of it. So you can see that on x-axis we have the you see that alphabetical or categorical variable, that is employee name, and on y-axis we have numerical values, that is sum of bonus and sum of joining bonus. And here you can see that we have on the option of labels, on the option of legend. So basically legend is also on, and at the top of the chart you can see that we have given a title to our chart. And here you can see that on axis employee name, on column y-axis sum of bonus and sum of joining date, and line y-axis. So this is our line. So for line y-axis we have taken the sum of salary. So this is how you can make a line and cluster chart.